What's up, everybody? Damien Eclipse here, and tonight I got one for you. Jefferson Airplane versus Starship. Now, who was better? Jefferson Airplane or who they became later, Starship? Now, we all know that Grace Slick was in both of them. We all know that they both groups had exceptional, unbelievable, great, amazing, whatever you want to call it, unbelievable, great hits. Jefferson Airplane had hits like White Rabbit and Somebody to Love. You had Starship, who had songs like oh jeez, it's been a while since Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now. You had We Built This City, and so on. So you decide who was better, Jefferson Airplane or Starship. And may the best band win. Link and subscribe, please. Damien would much oblige. Much appreciated. Sorry. But yeah, thank you. Link and subscribe, please.